Looks like we've got quite a few people in here. Hi, this is Gadgetwala and we're live from the Galaxy S8 launch here in Delhi, JW Marriott, Aero City. And 19th of April, as promised, the device is here. 5th of May onwards, you guys can start buying it. Very exciting part, apart from the features and the display and infinity and camera and all of that, is the price. Also say hello to my buddy, Nishant Pariyar. Nishant is the editor of Stuff Magazine, What Hi-Fi, and basically flies all over the world. That's a part of his job. So
not as much as you.
Oh, please. Quickly going to get a reaction from Nishant on the Galaxy S8 launch, the price, the features, what he finds most interesting. And और भी जो और दोस्त लोग यहाँ पे bloggers, shoggers आते रहेंगे, उनसे बात करते रहेंगे हम.
So yeah, my first impressions with the S8 Plus, because I still can't find the S8 anywhere around here. But the Plus is actually a fantastic feeling phone because I use an iPhone.
Fantastic feeling, मतलब feeling आती है.
Feeling वाला phone.
Feeling
because
वाला
we're in Delhi, so feeling आ रही है. Because I've heard a few people say that
Oh,
a lot
God.
in the last couple of days. So
And they'll say, bro, क्या feeling आ रहा है, bro? Feeling.
Feeling आ रही है. So इसमें feeling आ रही है because the infinite display is really something that we haven't. Well, we have seen it before to a certain extent, but not to this screen aspect ratio and the screen to body ratio. It really is incredible to see at, to look at, as you can see. In terms of functionality though, I still have my doubts because the edge
Functionality of the edge display.
of the edge display itself, because I mean it looks great, it feels great in your hand, but what you can do with it is still, I think, very very limited because well, you can have your favorite contacts, you can have your favorite apps, but as you can see Ankit trying to do it, it's not. I mean, it takes a few swipes and tries and getting used to it. So once you get used to it, I think it's fine. But really, the killer feature, like Ankit said, was the price for me because nobody was expecting it to be this low and this affordable.
But also knowing Samsung, you know, in a matter of couple of months, 2 महीनों में rationalization आपको लगता है प्राइस की इसकी हो जाएगी because typically Samsung ऐसे करता है कि लॉन्च कर देता है प्राइस and then within 2 or 3 months 4-5 हज़ार रुपए तो घट ही जाती है प्राइस.
Absolutely, Ankit. I think you're right over there because Samsung ने भी बताया था press launch में कि ये introductory price है. So I think they're keeping the options open to maybe stabilize the price after a few months and maybe take it up a notch.
Absolutely. What do you think about the camera? I keep saying this that you know they haven't really changed the rear camera. वही 12 megapixel का f1.7 का मॉड्यूल है from the Galaxy S7. Of course, why fix it if it ain't broken? But पूरी दुनिया अभी Xiaomi Mi6 launch हुआ है with the dual lens setup. iPhone is going dual lens with their 7 Plus, and they haven't really done that.
Yeah, I know. In fact, even I miss the dual lens setup here because I use the 7 Plus iPhone, and you can do, as you can see on your blog as well, the pictures that the depth effect is really fantastic, and it's optical. It's not just
software. Yeah.
So I'm keen to see what this does in because it has a lot of software gimmickry as well, which we haven't tried yet. But I'll keep my reserve.
Okay, prima facie, Galaxy S8. What do you think? Is it the most innovative design of the year? And do you think Apple has to be very, very, very worried?
I think they had to be worried because now they have opened the Pandora's box, so to speak, because this is the future. Everybody knew this. You know, most of the people in the tech sphere knew that the next
less bezel.
Exactly. Yeah. So it's going to be more screen and less bezel, less body. So even the next iPhone will be similar to it. And now because they have the head start, I think
it's going to look like Apple and copying it.
Exactly. So finally, for a change, I think it's going to be the other way around. Apple copying Samsung, or at least perception is going to be like that.
Superb. Thank you so much, Nishant.
Thank you so much, Ankit.
Thanks. All right. So this is the phone, boys and girls. Let's just take a look at it. Actually, let me swap the camera. It's a little more comfortable to show you guys. Here we go. Well, Bixby is not available, not just in India, anywhere in the world जहाँ पे phone launch हुआ है. As you see, this is the S8 Plus, the 6.2-inch version. It's absolutely gorgeous. The design, this infinity display. वो कहने को वो कुछ भी कह सकते हैं, but it's a beautiful display. It's obviously curved on both sides. There's also glass back over here. That's your 12 megapixel camera with the flash and the fingerprint sensor जो अब की बार पीछे गया है. It becomes obviously difficult because अगर मैं फ़ोन ऐसे पकड़ रहा हूँ, fingerprint sensor तक मेरा index finger नहीं पहुँच रहा है, which means I'm going to have to hold it in 2 hands and do this, but it's just a matter of getting used to. But the one thing that I absolutely love, and I can't show you the iPhone 7 Plus because I'm doing the Facebook Live उससे, but same size में of the, like, you know, the actual exterior size is the same as iPhone 7 Plus, but it's narrower. This is narrower, and this is just so much more better in the hand, and I get a bigger screen. Now this is the home page, and I swipe and I get the Bixby page over here, which is basically contextual information जो ये दिखा रहा है, gallery, weather, activity, themes, wallpapers, news. ये of course जैसे आप use करते जाएंगे आपके news sources और topics के हिसाब से I think it'll keep getting customized. But of course none of the voice commands are really going to work here. I really don't know what kind of work Samsung has done on the Indian dialect या English भाषा के ऊपर, तो वो देखना पड़ेगा. एक चीज जो मुझे थोड़ी खटक रही है कि यहाँ पे app tray नहीं है. So I'm constantly looking for it, but all I have to do is swipe up for the entire apps, and this is what it is. Let me quickly show you one thing, which is the camera. 12 megapixel का है. The big bump up hardware wise is in the front camera, which is now an 8 megapixel one. So let's take a look at that. Swipe here. That's our 8 megapixel camera. Looks nice and clear. The software gimmicks over here, and quite a few of them are. Wait a second. Where did that go? कहाँ चला गया यार? This. सर आप सामने आएंगे एक सेकंड. वहीं पे रुकिए. ये चीज़ें इनके ऊपर. You guys are seeing what's happening. So basically Snapchat like face filters are going on the person's face. It's a lot of fun. He has no idea मैं क्या लगा रहा हूँ इनके चेहरे पे, कौन सा जानवर बना रहा हूँ इन्हें. But as you can see, this is something that's built in. I guess it's a lot of fun for people who want those kind of pictures. Not just filters. आप यहाँ पे जो text है, you can also add up some of the text. You can make it big, small, things like that. That is built in over here. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Really sweet of you to help us. Also does 4K video, slow motion, hyperlapse, all these things. This is the S8 Plus. Like Nishant was telling us, ये जो edge functionality है, still going to have limited application over here. I'm not really sure what the full extent of इसका functionality होगा, but it's there. It's one of their selling points. आप इसमें obviously जो closest contacts है उन्हें add कर सकते हैं, and you can change. You can select an area to capture as image or GIF. यानी स्क्रीन के ऊपर अगर कुछ भी हो रहा है आप उसे कैप्चर करके जिफ बना सकते हैं. ये ऐप्स है यहाँ पे. यू कैन ऐड अबाउट 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 5 2 10 ऐप्स यहाँ पे लॉन्च कर सकते हैं. अबाउट 5 टॉप कॉन्टैक्ट्स, एंड ऑफ कोर्स आप जिफ बना सकते हैं. आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दैट अ लॉट. जस्ट गो टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल and show you कि ये edge to edge screen, because ये बहुत ही अजीब 18.5:9 इसका aspect ratio है, and so to really make use of that screen you can go full screen, which is literally edge to edge. So I go here, I'm watching edge to edge. This is a trailer from my YouTube channel, the Lamborghini Huracan. You're going to see that soon. And there's a tiny little key over here. If I press this, then it becomes edge to edge. You see that? थोड़ा stretch कर देता है image को, but this is basically how it plays, and that looks absolutely beautiful if you see it. Aditya has a good question. How fragile do I think the device is? Well, it does come with Gorilla Glass, which is Corning's custom glass that they've made for the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. But see, it's got glass in the front, glass at the back. It is not the most. You can't throw it around like a Nokia 3310. Abhishek, aaja. Poison girls, say hello to the man with the plan. Abhishek telling my brother from another mother. All right, so Abhishek, you've just seen the Galaxy S8 launch. एक तो सालों से आप लोग हमेशा से कहते आ रहे हैं that Abhishek is an Apple fanboy and things like that. No, I mean of course he appreciates technology.
ये इसने बदनाम किया है मुझे.
मैंने कुछ बेटा जो Apple का डिवाइस लॉन्च हो जाता है जनाब खरीद लेते हैं. घर पे Apple का म्यूजियम बना दिया इन्होंने.
हर डिवाइस नहीं, हर अल्टरनेट डिवाइस.
मतलब उसमें समझदारी है actually completely. That's the right way to do it. But now Abhishek, tell me what do you think Galaxy S8, S8 Plus के बारे में, कीमत के बारे में, फीचर्स के बारे में.
जितनी मैंने एक्सपेक्ट की थी उससे करीब 1000 कम रखी। फ़ोन जो है ना ये दिखने में बहुत नाजुक और मतलब जैसे हम लोग अपने शो में पहले कहते रहे एकदम मक्खन दिखता है और एकदम मतलब चिकनी डिज़ाइन है, बहुत शानदार दिखता है फ़ोन दिखने में। और जो इन्फिनिटी डिस्प्ले है ना, आई गेस मतलब बस हाथ से फिसले ना, बस ये एक चीज़ वो हो सकती है।
Absolutely. I mean, of course, you're going to have to put protective cases and all that, but I completely second with Abhishek की चुम्मेश्वरी डिज़ाइन है इसका। What do you think about the camera, यार?
नहीं, एक्चुअली मेरी अभी असीम से बात चल रही थी तो उन्होंने ये बोला कि वो फॉलो नहीं करना चाहते हैं और जो उनका डुअल पिक्सल जो कैमरा है ऑलरेडी,
हाँ।
वो S7 का कैमरा भी हम सब लोगों ने टेस्ट किया है, वो बहुत बढ़िया है। तो मुझे लगता है उन्होंने इस बार पीछे जाने के बजाय उन्होंने कहा कि जो टेक्नोलॉजी हमारी अच्छी है, जो ऑलरेडी ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड है और अच्छे से चल रही है, तो उसे फालतू में चेंज करने की ज़रूरत क्या है। जिसे डुअल पिक्सल लेंस बनाना है बनाता रहे भाई, हमारा तो जिसे डुअल लेंस बनाना है बनाता रहे।
वो सेंसर और इमेज प्रोसेसर पे ज़्यादा काम कर रहे हैं।
तो वो एक तरीके से देखा जाए तो उसमें कुछ बुराई नहीं है।
नहीं, absolutely. I mean, why fix something if it's not broken? I know all of you are saying कि Tech Guru, it feels like they are back. Well, आप लोगों की डिमांड थी, which is why I said Abhishek and I will need to do this.
वादा पिछले हफ्ते मेरे चैनल पर हुआ था, अभी पूरा हुआ अंकित के चैनल के ऊपर।
Absolutely. Okay. So last but definitely not the least, अब सितंबर में 10वीं सालगिरह होने वाली है Apple iPhone 8 या जब भी आएगा। We are also reading some reports कि शायद 1-2 महीने डिले हो सकता है Apple iPhone because बहुत डिजाइन चेंज हो रही है।
डिजाइन चेंज और इनफैक्ट उनसे मैनेज नहीं हो पा रहा है कि जो
फिंगरप्रिंट
सेंसर कैसे स्क्रीन के पीछे किया जाए और जो बेजललेस डिजाइन है उसे बेजललेस डिजाइन तो एक्वायर कर लिया उन्होंने, पर किस तरीके से फिंगरप्रिंट सेंसर उसमें फिट किया जाए,
करेक्ट,
उसमें वो लोग खुश नहीं है उसके रिजल्ट से। हो सकता है काफी कुछ चेंज देखने को मिले।
सो 10 साल से हम एप्पल आईफोन और सैमसंग की जुगलबंदी देख रहे हैं एंड
यहाँ पे तीसरा प्लेयर बड़ा चुपके से आ रहा है जो हो सकता है आगे निकल जाए।
गूगल पिक्सल बेटा अगले महीने जा रहा हूँ ना गूगल आयो, तो देखते हैं वहाँ पे क्या बवाल मचाएंगे वो। बट द पॉइंट इज फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसा लग रहा है डिजाइन वाइज, इनोवेशन वाइज सैमसंग रेस में आगे निकल गया है एंड आईफोन ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉन्च कैलेंडर जब सितंबर अक्टूबर में आएगा, इट माइट अपीयर कि एप्पल सैमसंग को कॉपी कर रहा है, जबकि
फर्स्ट टाइम नहीं हुआ भैया, पिछले साल भी ऐसा ही हुआ था, ये दूसरी बार हुआ है इस तरीके से। और लेकिन हाँ, इस बार चूंकि इन लोगों ने पिछली बार बहुत ज़्यादा हार्डवेयर चेंजेस नहीं थे, बट इस बार जो एक नई डिज़ाइन फिलॉसफी लेकर आ रहे हैं इन्फिनिटी डिस्प्ले,
करेक्ट,
सो इस बार तो मतलब इन्होंने बाजी मार दी है सैमसंग।
लास्ट क्वेश्चन बिकॉज अभिषेक ऑल्सो हैज हिज वर्क टू डू। Now everything is going to get shaken up in a matter of a few weeks, शायद 1-8 महीने में Big Daddy Nokia is coming back.
Okay, 3310 या Nokia
3310 तो obviously आने वाला है. That's the first one I'm going to buy.
घर भर के बदल डालूंगा। घर भर के बदल।
एक डजन खरीद लो सब, but I'm going to buy the yellow one. I have decided that. But Nokia is going to come into the mix. Of course, वो शायद अभी वो flagship game ना खेले, वो 10,000 रुपए से 25,000 रुपए का खेल खेलने वाले हैं. But is it time that Apple and Samsung start, pulling up their socks?
कह नहीं सकते यार, कुछ कुल मिला के देखो, एक सेंटेंस में बताना चाहूँगा कि चीज़ें इंटरेस्टिंग रहने वाली हैं, ये चीज़ है। और नोकिया के साथ एक ये है कि उनकी जो डायरेक्ट कंपटीशन जो अभी होगी ना, वो जो जितने जो वन प्लस है या फिर इंडो चाइनीज़ जो कंपनीज़ हैं, उनके साथ उनकी मेन कंपटीशन रहने वाली है। सैमसंग और एप्पल के साथ टक्कर लेने में हो सकता है 1-2 साल और लगे उनको, बट अभी तो मेन इनकी दुकान के ऊपर जो है ना, थोड़ा सा इनको अपना गेम अप करना पड़ेगा।
Absolutely. गुरुवाणी मिल गई, गुरुवाणी. Thank you so much, Abhishek. This was amazing, man. This was awesome. All right. So you guys obviously should follow Abhishek on his Facebook and his Instagram and all of that. And it was so much fun. It just felt like good old days of Tech Guru and talking about the Galaxy S8. I've pretty much spoken about most of the things. For anything else, go to thegadgetwala.in and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel because वहाँ पे आज के daily vlog में you'll see other details and a thorough walkthrough of all the features in a separate video of the Galaxy S8 hands-on. Thank you so much for joining and you can always watch this video again rewind करके. That's the beauty of Facebook Live. Bye-bye.